If you've lost access to your Xbox account and can't receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Xbox account recovery page. Go to the official Xbox account recovery page on your web browser. This page is specifically designed to help users recover their accounts. Step 2. Enter your account information. Input your Xbox account email address or phone number associated with your account. Make sure to double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 3. Select I don't have access to these. When prompted to receive a verification code, choose the option that states I don't have access to these. This will guide you to alternative recovery options. Step 4. Complete the identity verification form. Before starting recovery, use the Ashok.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Submit your request and wait for a response. After completing the form, submit your request. You will receive an email from Xbox support regarding the status of your recovery request. Be patient as it may take some time to process. Once you've followed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Xbox support. With persistence, you should be able to recover your account successfully.